Tired of manually moving data between Salesforce and your other apps? Here's exactly how to connect them with Zapier in minutes. We'll start by finding the official Zapier app on Salesforce AppExchange, then install it and set up your first automation. First, open your browser and navigate to the Salesforce AppExchange. This is Salesforce's official app marketplace, so you know everything here is vetted and safe to use with your data. It's the right place to start, and since we're going through the official channel, you can trust this process. Once there, type Zapier into the search bar at the top of the page. You'll see a list of results come up pretty quickly. Make sure you're looking at the right one. From the results, click on the official Zapier app listing. It should be the first result and clearly branded with the Zapier logo. This is important. You want the one published by Zapier themselves, not a third-party tool. It keeps everything reliable and supported. On the app page, click the Get It Now button to start installation. This button is right in the middle of the page, and it's hard to miss. Once you click it, the installation process will begin. You'll be prompted to log into your Salesforce account if you aren't already. Go ahead and enter your credentials. If you're already logged in, it might skip this step and move straight to the installation screen. After login, follow the installation wizard and grant the necessary permissions. Now, pay attention to this one. The wizard will ask you to choose who can access the Zapier app. Typically, you'll want to select Install for all users if you're setting this up for a team, or just for yourself if you're testing it out. You'll also need to grant some permissions, which is totally normal. Zapier needs access to read and write data in Salesforce so it can build your automations. Go ahead and check the box to agree to the terms, then click Install and Confirm. This might take a minute to process, so just let it do its thing. And now, head over to Zapier to create your first automation between Salesforce and another app. So here's the exciting part. Open a new tab and go to zapier.com. Log in or create a free account. Then click on Create Zap. This is where you build the connection. For the trigger, select Salesforce and choose the event that starts your automation, for example, when a new lead is created. Then for the action, pick the app you want to connect to, like Gmail or Slack or whatever you use. Zapier will walk you through connecting each account one time, and after that, everything runs automatically. And here's the really important part. Test your Zap first. Zapier lets you run a test to make sure data flows correctly before you turn it on. Do that test. It saves headaches later. And that's it. You've just connected Salesforce with Zapier. No more copy and paste, no more wasted hours. Your data now moves automatically between apps, just the way it should. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more walkthroughs just like this one.